I wanted to just share my new pillow from Zamat Bluedott. Ta-da! I had to try this before I talked about it. So I received this on December 5th. I have a problem sleeping because I'm very active. I have a very active mind. If I do not sleep by 12 or 1, I won't be able to sleep at all. And I'm going to go 2 days, 48 hours without sleep. And it's very hard for me to go back to sleep. When I was younger, I had insomnia for 10 months. I would sleep at 6 in the morning and wake up at 7. I had to see a doctor back then, and he told me that if you keep turning sleep away, one day it's going to turn you away. And that's exactly what happened. Now that I'm older, when I'm anxious, when I'm excited, I won't be able to sleep. And since I had this, I had been able to sleep regardless of my anxiety or excitement. This is where I put my head. This is called the head support area. Here's the shoulder support area, and that's your arm support area. And if you're a back sleeper, this is how you lie down on the pillow. This pillow has no odors. The Bluedott Ultra Memory Foam Button Pillow is made with top-notch, odorless, and safe memory foam to ensure comfortable and refreshing sleep. I injured my back in 2017. In 2018, I actually had sciatica, and this one helps me sleep. Especially when you're in pain, you want to be able to sleep, right? So this has so many benefits, not just sleeping. It really helps me relax. You can grab this and get a 15% discount. The link to Zamat is in the description of my video. Thank you so much, Zamat. I have never had an amazing sleep until I had your pillow.